I recently made a purchase of the Kakwa 55-liter pack by Durston Gear. I've had it out on a few trips, and so far I like it a lot. However, for me it's missing one key element, and that is the ability to strap additional items on the outside bottom of the pack. So today I'm going to address just that. That's coming up. Okay, what you'll need to get started is 2 pieces of some kind of cordage, about 8 inches long. I'm using some kind of reflective cordage from Hammock Gear, and 2 pieces approximately 28 to 30 inches long. And then some kind of male-female clip system. I got this on Etsy. I think you could probably find these on Amazon. I'll leave links in the description box below for the material that I personally used. You can make adjustments on lengths based on what it is that you want to carry. This is long enough to carry a closed self-foam pad, which I use as a second layer for winter backpacking. So that's why I chose this length. So on the Durston Kakwa 55 pack, there's this little loop that's sewn in from factory right here, and another loop sewn in from factory right here on the underside of the pack. Okay, so I have my female end here. I'm going to put both ends through like so, and then take those 2 ends and feed them through either side of that loop on the pack. And then I'm just going to do a simple overhand knot. So I have just a little bit of slack right there. Take both of these pieces, kind of hard to see on the camera. Hopefully you got the idea here. But a simple overhand knot, and feed both of these ends through the loop that I made. And then cinch them down nice and tight. So you end up with something like that. Now the female end is fastened and is not going anywhere. All right, now here we are with that loop right there on the very bottom of the pack, and I have about 3 inches sticking through. So again, we're going to do just a simple overhand knot. We'll take and make a loop. Hopefully you guys can see this okay. And I'll take that tail end, send that down through the loop that we just made. And then also the long end, and send that down through the loop that we made as well. So again, just another simple overhand knot. I'm going to pull that long end all the way through. I'll pull that nice and tight. So you end up with something like that. Now what we'll do next is take the male end. I'm just going to go through that and down through here. It acts just like a line lock, like so. And then I'm going to want to put a little knot on the end of this so that I can't pull it out. So just real simple little knot there on the end. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And that's it, guys. So I have the ability now to make this adjustment real big, cinch it down real small, whatever. Clips into the female end, just like so. Nice and tight. Now I would caution you not to pull crazy hard on the sewn in pieces from factory, that black loop there and there, just to prevent any kind of seams from pulling or whatever. It seems like it's in there, sewn in there really nice, but you know, you can cinch it down without really cinching it down and putting too much tension on it. It does a more than a good enough job to hold a pad or a chair or whatever it is you want to hold down there. Well guys, that's it for this one. I'm curious what you think. If you own this pack, do you like it? Do you not like it? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks a lot for checking out Backcountry Treks, and I'll catch you on the next one.